The best quizzes don't just leave your quiz takers hanging on their result page, but guides them to the next step. Use the call to action button on your Try Interact result pages to do exactly that. Encourage someone that gets a specific result to take the next step that makes the most sense for them. Yes, you can change up the call to actions on each result page, so somebody who might be a beginner gets a completely different call to action than somebody who's been an expert in this field. That could be going to read one specific blog post or listening to a specific podcast episode. It could be joining a community or signing up for a paid offering. It could even be asking your quiz taker to share the quiz result that they got on their social media. No matter what the desired call to action is, here's how you can add it to your Interact quiz. This quiz identifies how hackable somebody's cybersecurity system is. The results range from "Great job, your cybersecurity is strong" to "Yikes, your cybersecurity system needs help." So, if you want to point these people who really need help with their system to a specific resource or next step, the best place to do that is right here in the call to action button. To add your own call to action, simply click in the button and type out what you want the button to say. I'll type "Do this next." Then you want to click on the URL and add in where you want this to send someone to. I always recommend having this URL open in a new tab. This way they can always come back to their quiz result page if they need to. Click save. Be sure to update each of your quiz result pages with the desired call to action. If you have any other questions, feel free to hit us up in the chat by clicking on this pink chat icon and send us a message. We'll be happy to help.